What do you see? A green tractor? Should we go drive the green tractor?
Yeah!
Okay, you lead me up, Home Slice.
Way down there.
Way down there, right?
Yeah. And wagon too.
And a wagon too, yes.
Yeah.
Say that one's full.
Let's go there. Whoa. I see that blue tractor.
You see the blue tractor. Good jump across there. Crazy kiddo.
That's a tractor.
A little blue tractor.
I see the blue tractor.
Balloon panther. Welcome to Harvest 2020 out at the Miller Farm. Thought I would put a little video together for everybody to look at on the reunion page, because everybody's asking at reunions, well, what do you guys do here? Corn and soybeans, no more cows, and here's a little fall ride along for everybody out there who doesn't get to come out and see it in person. So unfortunately, things don't always go smooth. Equipment only breaks when it's being operated or being run, and that's the same situation here. We get to work on this bad boy today. This is where you guys eat for the reunion, the farm shop. It does get used on projects like this, and it saves big repair bills because we can do all this work ourselves. You know, my grandpa taught my dad how to be good with wrenches. He learned it from his dad. I learned it from my dad. And the more stuff Grayson breaks, the more he's going to be forced to fix. So, while we work on this, I'm going to let you guys watch a montage of soybean harvest. We'll put up to some catchy music so you can jam out and enjoy it. We'll get cracking on here. Today we're harvesting corn. And I'm hauling it into the co-op where they scale it, test it for moisture, and buy it. I don't have my awesome little sidekick along the day. Maybe later, but we'll see more of him throughout this video. He really enjoys this part of the year. So we are going to do what they call a test plot. You plant a few different varieties of corn, and you come out here, you measure off a distance, you measure it, scale it, get the moisture, get the test weight, and determine what yielded the best. This is Matt. He's our junk seed salesman. Apparently he doesn't want to be on film. By Matt, in there's a scale, zeroed out. We'll unload into this. And it'll tell us what the weight is. So there Matt collected a sample to figure out moisture and test weight. Weight from one pass over a measured distance through the field. Now Matt's going to do math, which I'm no good at, and then he's going to unload it into the wagon. And we can make this go fast. We go 1, 2. Yeah, did you have fun?
Yeah.
What'd you learn today in school?
ABCs.
You learned your ABCs?
Yeah.
Nice. What was your favorite part of the day?
Color.
What was that?
Color.
Coloring?
Yeah.
You love coloring today, huh?
Yeah.
Well, that's good. You think Daddy had a fun day?
Yeah.
I probably did. You're right. Oh man, it sucks sitting in here. It really does. He does have a fun seat over there. Probably the most fun job in harvest. got a real problem out here. There's no bathroom. I'm gonna have to look a little bit. Found it. Men's room right here. I'll see it when I get up. So, what you gotta do, put the drawbar pin in. That's kind of a must. Hook the lights up. Check the lights, make sure they're working. Yep. And yes. Then we're good to go. So, why couldn't quarantine or pandemic 2020 hit when I was a kid? I mean, Grayson's got it made. If he wants, he can ride in the tractor all fall. And I think he's gonna. So, like I was saying, you gonna have fun? You sure? What kind of tractor is this? It's a big tractor. What brand? John Deere? Yeah. You wanna go up? So we take the wagons from the field and we take them to the co-op. Now, it can be a really long, slow, boring ride there. It'll take you all of 15 to 20 minutes to get there, and you see nothing but bad traffic. So there's a way we can speed this whole process up, and I can get you guys there a lot quicker. Bear with me. And just like that, we're at the co-op. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the short trip. So once you pull on, they weigh you, and then they use that big dipper up there. They use that big dipper up there to get your moisture.
Thank you for watching our fall harvest video, and we will see you in 2022 for our next family reunion.